Hello and welcome to another craft video from the Wichita Falls Public Library. First, craft kits will be available at the service desk while supplies last. They will include one bundle of green and one bundle of colorful yarn and a clay pot. They will also have printed instructions and a template for pom-pom makers. You will need scissors and either hot glue or tacky glue for this craft. To use the pom-pom maker templates, I just grabbed a sturdy piece of cardboard and a push pin, and then I marked some guiding points with the push pin to cut out the design. Side note, if you craft a lot with cardboard or want to, get a pair of these cardboard scissors. They will save your hands. For this craft, I just need the largest and smallest templates. Now, Kelly used the finger method to make her pom-poms. She cut a 6-inch piece of the green yarn first and then placed it between two of her fingers on her left hand. She then took the rest of the green yarn and wrapped it around 3 of her fingers, not too tightly, for about 70 to 80 rounds. And then she cut the bundle free and wrapped that pre-cut piece of yarn around the bundle. She then removed the yarn bundle from her fingers and tied the pre-cut piece into a tight double knot around the bundle. Then she cut all of the loops and fluffed out the pom-pom. I used the largest cardboard pom-pom maker, but the steps are essentially the same. My only advice is don't wrap it too tightly. You don't want to warp the cardboard. And if you're using thicker yarn, like really thick yarn, only wrap it about 40 times, and you should get the same kind of size pom-pom. For the smaller pom-poms, Kelly used the 2-finger method and I used the smallest pom-pom maker. You basically repeat the exact same steps as the large pom-poms though. And once you're done, you'll have 2 slightly lumpy pom-poms. To shape them, hold the pom-poms over a trash can because this step is very messy, and shape them with scissors into either round or elongated balls. To assemble, Kelly used a hot glue gun and lined the rim of her pot and very lightly pushed the pom-pom down into it. She did the same thing with her second pom-pom on top of her cactus, and I did the exact same steps just with tacky glue instead. We both found that the types of glue worked just fine, and after a little bit of trimming after the glue had dried, we had our perfectly shaped little cacti and we were done. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy this craft, and if you finish it, please take a few pictures and show us on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.